Hello, good morning, my dear students. Happy Rakhi to all of you. Hopefully that you stay at your home and enjoy your Rakhi celebration. So in the previous video, on the last Tuesday, we learned. I sent one video to change the wallpaper to create the shortcut, and I also gave one homework to you, and hopefully that you do your homework by yourself. Okay, so now. First, in the previous video we are changing our wallpaper of our desktop, right? So I show you how to change the wallpaper, how to insert your own image and put as a wallpaper, right? So this is the thing we already learned. Now we are going to the next topic that will be look like a wallpaper, that is the screensaver. Okay, so what is the screensaver? Have you heard the word the screensaver? और sometimes whenever you are not using your computer, जब आप अपना कंप्यूटर को यूज़ नहीं करते हो तो sometimes क्या होता है, that will become bubbles, that will become some tags, that will become some strips whenever you are not using your computer. जब आप अपना कंप्यूटर को यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हो तो ये चीज़ हमने हमारे कंप्यूटर लैब में भी सीखी है और बहुत सारे बच्चों ने मुझे बुलाया भी था और बोला भी था, मैम ये बबल्स क्यों आ रहे हैं, मैम ये टैग्स क्यों आ रहा है. देन आई टोल्ड देम दैट यू हैव टू लर्न लेटर this thing. So now this is the time to learn the screensaver. What is the meaning of screensaver? You must have noticed that whenever you do not move the mouse or press a key for a long time, the desktop start displaying or moving a picture or pattern on the screen. This is called the screensaver. Like this, इस तरह से बहुत सारी strips आ जाती है. Some designs are also there or some text will be there. So this is called the screensaver when long time you are not using a computer or don't press your computer and your computer will be turned on. So let's start how to change the screensaver. I first read these steps, then we are performing that. Right click on the desktop and select the personalization option on the blank area of the desktop. Second, click the screensaver option from the personalization window. A screensaver setting windows appear like this. That will be, you can see for the background we are using this one, desktop background. We find that you can see also the screensaver option. Step 3, select the screensaver of your choice from the drop down list and click OK like this. So I will show you the practical for that. This is my screen and this is the blank area of my windows, my screen, my desktop. So right click and you can see the personalization here. Okay, so here you can see that personalization. I am not putting any of the screensaver, so it will be displayed none, means nothing. When I click on that, you can see the output here. Okay, so screensaver options are many more here. So 3D text, blank, bubbles, mystify, photos, ribbons. You can choose your choice and you can see the output here. Windows 8.10. You can also change that. I show you how to change it. Blank means nothing will be displayed to you, only blank screen. Bubbles, simply your bubbles are come. You can see here the bubbles whenever you are not using your computer. Mystify, you can see that single strips are comes here. Photos, you can take your own photos and you can choose the different photos for that. And the ribbons, that will be photos we see here. Okay, so for example I will show you the 3D text here. Go to the setting. What do you want to write here? That will be write by default Windows 8.1. I am writing my name. Okay, resolution, all things are setting here, so don't worry, no need to change that. So you can see that rotation type, that will be spin. You can do the seesaw, means like that, how the seesaw will be done. These are the different types you can change here. Solid color, if you want to your surface will be solid color. टेक्सचर मीन्स सिंपली जो हमारी वॉल टेक्सचर आती है उस तरह का आएगा, या फिर रिफ्लेक्शन में बैकग्राउंड में उसका रिफ्लेक्शन आएगा. आई विल चूज द सॉलिड कलर फॉर नाउ. यू कैन चूज बाय योर सेल्फ. Okay, here you can see that if you don't want to select that, for example you want to go to ribbons, settings, sorry that already said, that also not set. Okay, photos will be set for that. Means you can change your photos from your browsing. आप अपने फ़ोटोज़ यहाँ से ले सकते हो, जैसे कि आप मेरे डेस्कटॉप पे है तो मैं ले सकती हूँ वहाँ से. Okay, so there will be no photos on my desktop, so I cannot find out. You can choose by your side. If you want to put that, I just choose again the 3D text here. You can see the preview. Right, so I just apply it and press the OK. So screensaver will be converted to the 3D text. Okay, so this is the thing of the screensaver, how to set the screensaver in your laptop, in your computer also. So I want to give you one task to you that you have to do. One, create a shortcut icon on your desktop for the following application. पेंट, MS पेंट जो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट हमारे कंप्यूटर में रहता ही है, एंड द गूगल क्रोम. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव अ क्रोम then इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर will be by default in your computer. So you can, in place of the Google Chrome, you can do the shortcut of the Internet Explorer. Change the screensaver to the bubbles and set the screensaver wait time for 2 minutes. Okay, I just forgot one thing. How to set the time. Personalization, screensaver, and here yes, wait means 1 minute के बाद ही ये स्टार्ट होगा. अगर 1 मिनट तक कोई यूज़ नहीं आता तभी ये स्क्रीनसेवर स्टार्ट होगा, अदरवाइज इट विल बी नॉट स्टार्टिंग. ओके, इफ़ यू चेंजिंग हियर 1 2 3 4 5, दैट इज़ डिपेंड ऑन यू, आपको कितने टाइम के बाद उसको डिस्प्ले करवाना है. Okay, so this is the thing that you have to be perform, and you have to do the practical by yourself, and by that whenever your screensaver comes you have to take the short video for the 5 seconds and send it to me. Even you have to send the photos of the shortcut for the paint and the Google Chrome to me. Okay, so here we are going to end the video here, and on the next Monday we will meet again. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye everyone.